Hi, good morning, one and all. Today we can discuss about the remaining characteristics of phylum chordata. Very familiar. The chordata having what type of symmetry? Bilateral symmetry, and it is a triploblastical nature. Level of organization is the organ system level, and it can shows the metamerism, that is the segments, and it can shows the cephalization. Cephalization indicates the anterior part they having a nervous system, that is called as cephalization. The coelom is what type of coelom? Enterocoelom. The digestive system is the complete digestive system. The circulatory system is the closed circulatory system, and the heart is the myogenic heart. Myo indicates muscles. That's why our heart is under muscles, not under the nervous system. That's why the person, if any person is died but the heart is working properly, that is due to muscles. It is not coordinated with the nervous system. That's why that heart is called as a myogenical heart. Now we can compare the chordatas and non-chordatas characters. For chordatas, notochord is present. For non-chordatas, notochord is absent. And then central nervous system having a dorsal, hollow, single, non-gangliated. Here it is present in the ventral side, and it is the solid and gangliated. Pharynx is perforated by gill slits. Here there is no gill slits. Heart is present in the ventral side, but the heart is present in the dorsal side. Post-anal tail is present mostly in the chordatas, absent in the non-chordatas. Now, phylum chordata having a three subphylums. The first subphylum is the urochordata. Urochordata is also called as a tunicata. Here Euro indicates tail, chorda indicates notochord. The notochord present in the tail region in embryonical stage. In adult stage, it will be degenerated. I already said this is called as a retrogressive metamorphosis. That's why retrogressive metamorphosis is the specialized character can be seen in the urochordatas. Urochordata also called as a tunicata. Why? Because here in these animals it is covered by a cell wall. That cell wall is made up of a cellulose. That animal cellulose is called as a tunicin. That's why that is called as a tunicata. And very important one for us, it means in animals cell wall is absent, cell membrane is present. For plants, they having a cell wall made up of a cellulose, except urochordata. It is the specialized character. And some organisms, they are the sessile, they are not able to move, immobile. Some organisms is pelagic. What is meant by pelagic? Means the organisms which can lives in the open seas and water, that is called as a pelagic layer. Some are lives in solitary, single, that is the best example is Ascidia, and some examples they can be live in the colonial, that is in groups, Pyrosoma. See here the body is an unsegmented and it is covered by a test or tunic. I already said it is composed of a cellulose, that is called as a tunicata. And very important one here, the coelom is absent. Next, see here ectodermal lined atrial cavity. It is the outer layer, ectodermal lined atrial cavity, that is surrounds the pharynx region, into which here they having a gill slits is present, into which gill slits and a digestive system. It means it is connected with the stomach, and also it is open into the gonads. Gonads indicates reproductive organs. That's why This atrial cavity encloses the pharynx and also with the gill slits, and also it is continued with the stomach and also continued with the gonaducts. See clear here, this is the gonaduct and this one is the stomach. This is the outer layer that is called as a tunicin. Now this ventral side of the pharynx, they can possess the endostyle. Basically endostyle, they can think they have a forerunner of thyroid gland. It means thyroid gland is mainly useful for the primary metabolism. Primary metabolism means it can metabolize the carbohydrates, it can metabolize the proteins, and it can metabolize the fats. And digestive system is what type of digestive system? Complete digestive system. Two to numerous gill slits are present. Here it is an exception. Circulatory system is the open circulatory system. Heart is the ventral heart. The nerve system is single and dorsal gangliated. These are the hermaphrodite. Larva is the tadpole larva with tail. A dorsal hollow nerve cord is present. Best example is the Ascidia, Salpa and Doliolum pyrosome. This one is the nerve ganglion. The next subphylum is the cephalochordata. See, cephalo indicates head, chorda indicates notochord. Here the notochord is present from the head to tail region and it is persist throughout their life. The notochord present throughout their life. These are marine burrowing mode of life, lives in the shallow sea water, and it is small fish like with having a median fins. Suppose now you have to think this one is the fish, this is the median fins. Middle fins is called as a median fins, but it is not paired one. But normal fishes it is a paired one, but it's not a paired ones, and it is described as typical chordatas. Why it is described as typical chordata means it can shows the all the chordata characters, that is they having a notochord and they having a tubular nerve cord and also they having a pharyngeal gill slits throughout their life, and muscles occur as myotomes. Here myotomes means muscle blocks are called as a myotomes, and the coelom is the enterocoelom. Here also endostyle is present. Respiration takes place through body surface. Circulatory system is the closed circulatory system, and the excretion a specialized cell same as that of flame cells in platyhelminthes, that is known as a solenocytes. It is like a protonephridia. Fertilization is the external fertilization. Development is the indirect development, and it is the free swimming larva. Best example is the branchiostoma. Branchiostoma is also called as a amphioxis or also called as a lancelet.